My name's Andreas Xiarchos, and at Corecom Consulting I am Head of .NET Development. I originally came across Corecom at a grad fair. It was one of the consultants I originally started speaking to. Thereafter, obviously I met Jonathan. He told me a bit more about the company, a bit more about the role. Eventually I found myself having a coffee, sat down with Jonathan. I'm responsible for .NET development, so at the moment I'm working both contract and permanent markets. Anything from small consultancies, software houses, digital agencies seem to be a big one, especially for development. I work quite closely with a company called 26 Digital. They're renowned across the UK for the work they do. They've won awards for things like the best place to work in the UK. They typically have great working environments, digital agencies, and that's what attracts a lot of developers to them. And then at the other side of things, going more towards a corporate scale, companies like SSP, a market leader in what they do within the insurance industry, operating on an international basis. We always tend to meet our candidates, meet our clients. I know I like to do that on just about every occasion. And it turns out that quite a lot of developers, although maybe quite timid and they have this stereotype, a lot of them do like to get out for beers, so that's always a big thumbs up from me. I think they appreciate that approach. We've had so many people comment saying I haven't had this service anywhere else, and it's just going that one step further, I think. So a good example would be one of the developers I met who was currently working in Luxembourg. We didn't just arrange his interview, went and picked him up from the airport, took him to his interview, got to know him, took him for some lunch as well, and that just went a long way for him. So I think they enjoy that personable service that we're allowed to do here, and that we strongly push throughout Corecom really. The markets we cover, we don't just claim to be a specialist, we prove that we're a specialist within there. We've got a lot of clients and a lot of candidates that will vouch for our services. Not only are we providing those services, again, it's about going that extra step. So the events we run, we're not just benefiting ourselves from that, not at all, because we've even got proof that our clients benefit from coming to those events. They've changed the way they work internally based on opinions and other ideas that have come from those events, and that's one of the main reasons we hold them. When I started, I had no experience in sales. Typically my background was project management, what I studied, what I had experience working with. So I had an intense training course from the seniors here and also part of the management team. They didn't leave my side. They was answering my call day and night, literally day and night. When I was out of the office or when I was in the office, they'd be there to help on hand. The years of experience they have between them, you put all that together, and there's just so much things that you can learn from. There's so much things that you can take. Just helped me build my skill set. Not to mention the external training we get, so anything that I request generally gets put through and accepted, and I can go on any training courses I want. So whatever I feel, me and my manager feel that I need, we can really hone in on that and start improving those areas that need topping up. So yeah, the training's been excellent here at Corecom. So in terms of my aspirations, I know I just want to keep going forward. If I ever feel that I'm stood still, I feel like I'm going backwards. So for me, it's just to go as far as I can within this company and to help the company grow as quick as it can, really, because I know the amount of work we have on at the moment, we need more people in the business.